Let us see in this video how to prepare a cash receipt voucher against a customer invoice. A cash receipt voucher against a customer invoice is used to record the receipt of payment in cash from a customer towards a specific sales invoice. This voucher updates the customer's outstanding balance and reflects the corresponding cash inflow in the company's account. Let us take one example. Cashier 1. Cashier. Customer name: Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Bill number: SI2526000002. Bill amount: 6,000 rupees. GL account: Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited AR. Amount: 6,000 rupees. The slide shows the cash receipt workflow approval process, which consists of two levels of reviewing and approving. First, after the creator enters the details, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor reviews the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve it. The manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let's log in with the creator's username and password to create a cash receipt voucher against the customer invoice. Click on the Login button, then click on Financials next, click on Transaction and select Payment and Receipt to navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click on Pending DR Documents. This button is used to view all pending debit-related documents that are awaiting receipt, or adjustment. Click on Pending Receivables. All the pending receivable documents will be displayed with details such as party name, document type, bill number, bill date, bill amount, and payable amount. Select the document that needs to be paid. Click on the Create button. There are two options: Single and Merge. Single is used to create a receipt for a single party. Merge is used to create a receipt for multiple parties. In the Type field, the available options are Bank and Cash. Select Cash. Choose the receipt date using the date calendar. Select the cashier and click OK. The cash receipt voucher will be created. If any account is missed, add it using the Get Document option. If any bills are missed, click on the Add button in the Line section, then select and add the pending document for the party. Choose the Cash Flow Description, CF description. The CF code description explains the purpose of each cash inflow or outflow. It helps classify transactions under operating, investing, or financing activities for accurate cash flow reporting. Click on Save. Select the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created. To review the journal, click on the View Journal button. The cash account will be debited and the party account will be credited. Click on the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded. Log in with the reviewer's credentials. Click on the Login button and navigate to the Approval screen. To review the document, click on the Detail button. Once the document has been reviewed, click on the Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Log in with the manager's credentials. Click on Login and navigate to the Approval screen. Click on the Detail button to review the document. Once reviewed, click on the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.